Hey guys, this afternoon I went to the gym. Then I took my MacBook to the repair shop and got it fixed. Tomorrow I'm planning to go skiing, so I need to get up really early. I really need to practice my skills more. I will be a good cardio workout at the same time because even since my last powerlifting competition, my weight has been a bit higher. I want to lose some weight. I want my body to feel lighter and more agile. Also, my lung com capacity, my lung capacity, capacity isn't very strong, so I need to work out on that too. Alright, guys, that's it for today. So